Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful lace stitch pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies cardigan, sweater, ladies shawl, ladies scarf. This is the way it looks like. See, it looks so beautiful. I have done with this border. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all, sorry, it's not all purl rows. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast and multiples of 17 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 17 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 36 stitches on my needle which is 17 plus 17, 2 times 17. I have 2 repeats, 2 times 17, 34, and 2 edge stitch 36. So row 1 right side sorry, row 1 right side knit all stitches. Row 1 right side knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side knit all stitches. Because this is edge stitch, sorry this is wrong side, and on the wrong side your edge stitch purl. So row 3 right side sorry, row 3 right side your edge stitch slip on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern SSK 3 times. SSK means slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these two together, knit these two together through the back loop. SSK 1, 2 more times, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK 2, 1 more time, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK 3, SSK 3 times, and then yarn over knit 1 5 times, yarn over knit 1 1, yarn over knit 1 2, yarn over knit 1, 3, yarn over, knit 1, 4, yarn over, knit 1 5 times, yarn over, knit 1 5 times, and then one more time yarn over, one more time yarn over, and then knit 2 together 3 times. So knit 2 together, 1, knit 2 together, 2, and knit 2 together, 3. That's the repeat from here to here. So for repeat pattern we have done SSK 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then yarn over, knit 1 5 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 3, yarn over, knit 1 4, yarn over, knit 1 5, and then yarn over, knit 2 together 3 times, 1, 2, 3. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. SSK 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. SSK 3 times, and then yarn over, knit 1 5 times. Sorry, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 3, sorry 2, yarn over, knit 1 3, 3, yarn over, knit 1 4, yarn over, knit 1 5 times, and then one more time yarn over, knit 2 together 3 times, 1, 2, 2, and then 3 times, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. See, row 4, last row, purl all stitches, wrong side, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. See, this is one repeat, this is one repeat. Now repeat this 4 rows, row 1 to row 4, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.